So hello chess lovers, today we are going to see an intense game played between Capablanca and Mir Sultan Khan. So let me tell you that Mir Sultan Khan was a servant from British India, but he was the strongest chess master of his time from Asia. And his opponent is Cuban chess player Capablanca, who was a world champion from 1921 to 1927. So this game was played in 1929, in which Capablanca had the white pieces and Mir Sultan Khan had the black pieces. So without further ado, let's check it out. But before starting the game, do subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon and turn on the notifications to all to be updated for our future videos. So let's get started. So I started the game via the move d4, knight to f6 by black, c4, e6. So we have queen's gambit decline on the board, knight to c3, d5, bishop to g5, bishop to e7 by black, e3, a6, preventing knight to b5 jumps in future. So white played here c into d5, e into d5 by black, bishop to d3, and here a kind of inaccuracy by black, bishop to e6, because knight to e2 and knight to f4 is anyways going to come in future to attack the e6 bishop. So instead of bishop to e6, h6 would have been a better continuation for black, and after bishop to h4, black castles, knight to e2, knight bd7, and after white castles, g5, preparing to play bishop to b7. This would have been a better continuation for black, but instead of this, bishop to e6 was played in the game. So after bishop to e6, white played knight to e2, h6, bishop to h4, c5, d into c5, bishop into c5, white castles, knight to c6, knight to f4 by white, and now comes the move g5, which is a very risky move because it opens up the king's position. So white played here knight into e6, and after pawn into e6, bishop to g3. So white played a king to e7, and after rook to c1, bishop to d3, white played here f4, queen to c7 by black. Now comes a kind of inaccuracy by white, knight to e2, because the knight is doing nothing on that e2 square. So instead of knight to e2, queen to b3 would have been a better continuation for white, and after rook to f8, pawn into g5, and after h into g5, this would have been a better continuation for white. But instead of this, knight to e2 was played in the game. So after knight to e2, black played knight to g4, attacking the e3 pawn, and now comes a big blunder by white, knight to d4, because it allows to grab the e3 pawn. So black immediately played knight into e3. So white played queen to e2, and now you cannot capture the rook because the e6 pawn will be hanging. So black played pawn into f4, and now comes bishop h4 check, and after king to d7, queen to h5, and now comes rook to f8, not allowing the queen to penetrate from the f7 square. So white played queen to g6, and now both the players were in extreme time troubles. So black immediately played here queen to b6, but after queen to b6, here comes queen to e6 check, and after king to c7, a big blunder by white in time pressure, queen into d5, and after knight into d5, white resigned.